What's up, guys? Alright, so guys, so basically what I'm doing right now is I have to take out the rest of the little clips and everything else that can come out, that needs to come out for the respray. Let me show you guys what I'm taking out. Basically, the soundproofing, there was a lot of soundproofing. You can see this part that is a different color from the blue. That was soundproofing. I had to take that out. The roof, we took that out, and then I still have to take out these little clips. Everything else that's like this has to come out. I'm working on right now at the moment is this. Check it out here. They will just one little clamp, and then you pull it out, goes around. Check out on the other side. Now with this, as you can see, I have to go under the car. That's why we got the jack out. So yeah, let's do it. This is it. These are the clips that I have to take it off. Another one there. Screw there is connected to the back something. Today's video, it's a different problem. Never thought I was gonna make this video. Actually, I knew I was gonna make this video. Ain't no way this car was gonna last more than it has already lasted without any problems. Basically, this car was losing power a lot, which means it was missing, which means out of the 4 cylinders, 1 or 2 of them were not working correctly.
It's missing, that's your problem. What? There's not enough fluid, you'll hear it goes. It sounds like a backfire. Backfire? Hey, you feel the car shaking? Yeah. The car's missing.
And yesterday, took it on the drive. When we came back, it started revving itself to 2,000 RPM. Just 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. After that, we took out one of these, which means what? The engine should start missing again. But it didn't miss. It just went to 1,000 RPM. And then the battery opened up, basically exploded into my face. That's the acid. Yeah, don't let this get into your eyes, because that shit burns. And now, I had to take out the battery. Had to take out all 4 of these and what they were connected to right here. My dad's gonna go buy a new one. A new battery is coming in today, and then these are things I believe they still in good condition. And yeah, so we gotta work on this. Let's do it.
So, we looked at the greys over here that you can charcoal, age grey, maybe even linen white could work for you. Okay, age grey, charcoal, or county. This is like a darker grey from age. I like this one. Yeah. Either that or age grey. Grey, you choose between blood, matte, or satin flecker.
Nah, matte is ugly.
Outdoor satin.
Yeah. Yeah, matte is ugly.
Gloss is outside.
Gloss is outside.
You gotta save yourself. They switch up on you if they getting a prize. You gotta save yourself. They'll be lying to you when you ask, they deny. You gotta save yourself. They see that I'm up, now they ask for advice. You gotta save yourself. You need some real niggas that won't leave your side. You gotta save yourself. When niggas start switching, I could see the signs.
Alright guys, I'm taking a break because I've been working, né? But basically what we are busy with, we're cleaning it up because we completed this interior strip down. I cleaned out the back, so yeah, you see how the back is looking, pretty clean, so yeah, what we're doing right now is just cleaning up, and then after cleaning up we're going to use this guy power strip. We'll give you guys the price. Yeah, the editor will just put the price right there. It's that much, and we're gonna use it on the entire car, but right now we're gonna focus on interior. But for now, enjoy the time lapse.
But she feel like a crime, yeah. She wasting my time, and I ain't got time, no. Wasting my time, I know this ain't right. Taking my heart and you give it a bite. Talking too much cause you know that I'm right. I wanna love you, but you just wanna fight. All the arguing, taking it light. Our future is dark, but I'm bringing the light. You with me right now, but you leaving at night. You tell me you love me, I don't see the sight. Just leave me alone. Don't pick up the phone. Not in the zone. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
You also do this to your car?
Some spots, I don't do the whole car.
This is the color. This is the primer. First you're gonna put the primer, then the actual color, and then you're gonna put whether it's gonna be gloss, matte, or satin. But we're going satin. But right now, I took out the gas cap. I'm gonna sand it down a little and then spray paint it to see if I can paint. Because you know, there's my car, so I do have to actually try to paint. So let's do that. Don't ask yourself why I put it here. It's fine. This one can get paint on it. You can see that they still let blue there, but I'm not gonna focus. I just wanna make sure that this part is done.
Ain't right, but she feel like a crime, yeah. She wasting my time, And I ain't got time, no. Wasting my time, I know this ain't right. Taking my heart and you give it a bite. Talking too much cause you know that I'm right.